Thank you for joining ArcherPoint. Today, we'll be walking you through on how to track which employees have company items using Microsoft Dynamics NAV. When setting up Microsoft Dynamics NAV, the main focus is around the use in the company, from finance to operations to manufacturing to warehouse. One of the areas that tends not to be a focal point is around employees. In NAV, you also have the full human resource section, and you may say to yourself, do I trust having employee information in NAV where people can see all kinds of data? In NAV, you will want to set up what items you want to track, and when you set up those items, you can then link each to its corresponding employee. We'll walk through the steps of setting up the items, which we will call articles. So first, once you have your NAV client open, in the top right search bar, type Miscellaneous Articles. Click on it, and when the setup window opens, you can fill in what you would like to track. So once you have the setup window open, here you can see the list of company items or miscellaneous articles. To make a new one, you can either click on new at the top left, or you could just start typing in an empty line. So maybe let's add a company printer, for instance. So I'll type in printer under the code and also printer under the description because it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you've set up your company articles, let's go to employees and make a new employee. So in the top right search bar, type in employees and click on new employee. So click on here and fill in the appropriate information. So for this guy, maybe he's a business analyst. His name's John Doe. So once you filled out your new employee information, on the Navigate tab at the top, click on Miscellaneous Article Information. So here is where you can link the company articles to the employee that you want to link it to. So let's say for John Doe, we want to record that he has used the printer. So you can either click on the empty line or click new, or in the drop down options for an empty line, click on printer. And if you tab on your keyboard, it should automatically fill in the description. And note that we can also add parameters. So maybe John used the printer for 2 weeks. So from 2 weeks ago, and maybe let's say he's still using it. So we're going to check the in-use box. Let's also say perhaps John uses the company car. So we'll add a car, and maybe he's been driving it since last week. Also still using it. So that is how you can track how an employee is using what items. John Doe is using the printer and a company car. And now that you have the data in the system, you can always run reports for either internal use or for auditors. So once you've done that, click exit out of those two windows, and in the top right bar, type in employee miscellaneous article information. Click on it, and here is a window where you can input your parameters or filters. I'm going to just click preview and see what comes up, and it should give me a list of all the employees who have used or are using some sort of company item or article. So here you can see that John Doe, employee number 20, is using the company car and printer. So this is how you can track which employees in your company have used which company item in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, please contact ArcherPoint. Otherwise, thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching this NAV Now video. If you found this helpful, please check out our website at www.getnavhelp.com. Otherwise, feel free to also check out our ArcherPoint website at archerpoint.com. Additionally, if you have any questions regarding our products, services, or information in this video, feel free to email us at info@archerpoint.com. Thank you.